pack her things and leave this house. Else, what I will do to her, she will not like it.
Of what use will it be to you if I pack my things and leave my own father's house and leaving you all by yourself to stay here?
She should go out there and look for her father.
What? Why would you do this to me? Why?
If you want to die now, what's my business?
Take away her peace. Make her understand that she does not belong there.
I don't want to have you.
She's not your father, he's my father.
I don't want her to have your child. Neither do I want her anywhere around you.
I choose to have a child.
I have to leave this house before somebody kills my child for me.
What did you do?
Josh!
Come out! Enough is enough!
Pray! Pray that she forgives